In the real world, these just people with ideas. In the real world, these just people with ideas.
Alright, what's up tubers, it's your boy Will DZ. We are finally back with a new video. You guys, I've been waiting for literally 3 months for this part. Literally with all the coronavirus and all that stuff, literally shipments and delays were so freaking long. And literally, finally it arrived today. So, you know, for the Lexus wise, I've been driving it for, you know, for kind of like a bit. It's really boring. Well, not boring, but I've been falling asleep because the exhaust is too quiet. So obviously your second mod, literally today would be the second mod, and obviously the exhaust. So I know a lot of you guys, the Lexus owners, you guys are interested with the Q300s as well with the pseudo, but honestly, I chose something a little bit, you know, I'm gonna blur this out, but I chose something a little bit more aggressive. So I really don't care about this VI thing, or I'm gonna take a chance. And honestly, I do like the sound of it. And again, this is not a sponsored video, but remark, if you want to sponsor me fully, link is in the description down below. And for the new subscribers, if you guys are joining in, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go down, leave a like, comment, and yeah, let's get to this right now. Alright guys, so you ready for this? So what I went with, the company that I went for, is BAM! Remark. So we're gonna do a quick unbox of this, kind of see the contents inside, and let's get ready to go. I chose this because this had a bit of a more, like a deeper growl, aggressive. Not like the Q300s. I listened to a bunch of sound clips. Obviously I did my research on it. It just literally sounded like an amplified normal exhaust. And didn't even have the sound, didn't even have the tone. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna try Remark. Sounds pretty good, looks pretty good, but now we're gonna take a look at inside the contents of this box.
I never
really?
Never looked into Lexus.
Oh snap! So here it is. So it comes with these zip ties. I'm gonna cut off the zip ties. Comes with a Remark exhaust. So it has this. Comes up with these two babies. License plate frame along with exhaust hangers and a license plate. If you guys want one, you guys can take it. I'm not gonna put this on, but you guys can have it. So that's pretty much all the contents in the box. These two guys, bolts for the hangers, and as well the license plate. So this is gonna replace this thing. This is just way too quiet, guys. So this gotta change. This gotta change. Yeah, so this is the Remark. I have the 2018 Lexus IS350 F Sport 2, and this is the Muffler Delete. So obviously with no muffler, it's gonna sound a little bit more, you know, better. But listening online in clips is totally different than listening in person. So you will have the first reaction review of this build. But other than that, I'm gonna start on the montage now, and yeah, let's get this thing on. Holy sh! These are heavy as hell! These are, oh yeah, this is at least 40 pounds. Holy
40 pound or 20 pound?
25 25. I'd say this is probably around 20. Oh, this is a good arm workout though. Damn.
Probably
20, yeah, 25. So 2 sides, that, damn, save 50 pounds. Not bad, not bad. Hopefully this car might be a little bit faster. Okay guys, so it is all fully installed. Oh snap. Quads just look so much better, in my opinion. Quads just look so much better. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna start her up. Here we go. Here we go. I kind of expected for it to be a little bit louder, but I guess this is okay. I guess it's okay. Okay, let me give it a few reps. Hold on. Not that much difference. Okay, I'm gonna rep just once. Yeah, go for it. Okay, I guess okay. Okay guys, I think it's okay. It's not enough to get a VI, which is great, so I guess this is the way to go. We're gonna do some drive-by shots later, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so exhaust-wise, I thought in my head it would be a little bit louder than what it seems, but it's definitely it's a quieter side, but still definitely you can hear it. You can hear the difference between stock and aftermarket. So yeah, but I guess it's good, but we're gonna go through a little test drive just to see how it really sounds truly. But so yeah, that was a bit of a sneak peek, but we'll do a flyby and we'll do an in-cabin one as well. So yeah, so far I think it's okay. All right, start her up. Okay, this is a deeper tone now. Okay. Actually, no, I am happy with this. This is. Let's hear it. Let's hear it again. No, that's good. No, I think no. This is a good tone. This is a good tone. Yo, it actually sounds a little bit deeper tone now. Okay. All right. Woo, okay. Let's go. Whoa, people be speeding through here. All right, guys. First ride. Okay, inside, not much drone. Not much drone. I don't think it's much drone. It definitely adds character to it. Definitely adds character to it. It's not too loud. Oh, you can. This, I'm pretty sure you can make it like you can cruise and it doesn't really make any sound. If you really want to make it super loud, then you can just step on it. But okay. All right, here we go, guys. We have the windows down. This is getting serious right here. Getting serious. All right. Just gonna turn it right real quick here. Holy! Ooh, that downshift, you can hear. Remark. You outdid yourself, guys. You outdid yourself. That's remarkable. You know, Remark's remarkable.
If only it has a little pop.
I know. I'm sure it could.
Well, the cats are too big and it's like, damn. Even my G pops, man. Like my
G, like stock wise it pops. Oh. You know, this okay. I'm actually satisfied with the sound, guys. 100% satisfied. Like I said, Q300, it sounded just like a regular exhaust, but it was a little bit more amplified, but there was no tone to it. That's why I never really got into that Q300. Same thing for the Pseudo. I just, again, great exhaust, but I'm just not really for me. I like to be a little bit different, obviously. So let's see. Just like old times, baby. Just like old times. Oh. 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 Shit. Oh. Woo. Yo, I never driven this. Like, I never driven like this before. Shit, no, I have not driven like this before. Damn.
No pops.
No pops, but I like it because this has a deeper growl to it. That's why I like it,
Definitely
guys.
sounds better than OEM.
Yeah. So stock, I will load up a clip before and after, but the after definitely makes a big difference for the exhaust. So I'm happy with this. I'm definitely happy with this. We're gonna do a quick flyby just to see really how it goes. But after that, what more can I say, guys? I'm pretty satisfied with this. So you guys ever are thinking, oh, what exhaust should I get? Definitely would recommend the Remark for sure. Yeah, it has that deep growl to it. I like it. Alright guys, I'm literally standing on the street right now because we're trying to get this flyby shot. And yeah, I literally feel kind of uncomfortable because it feels like I'm just hitchhiking, or I'm like literally standing there like a hooker. But we're gonna do a quick flyby and then we'll see how this goes. Just gonna loop around. I'm gonna get a good angle for this. So super excited, guys. Doing these flyby shots for you guys, man. That was freaking sick. If you guys like it, definitely go down, press the like button. Yo, that actually sounds pretty good. There you have it. There you have it, boys. Just a beast of a machine. Yeah guys, so this is idle. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's not even that bad. I think it's okay. But yeah guys, all in all, I think successful, pretty good. Remark exhaust, again, I don't know how many times we said this in the video. Definitely, if you guys are looking for exhaust in the market for one, definitely go to Remark, cop yourself one. Definitely satisfied. As you can see through my reactions with that drive-by, it is freaking crazy. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Join the DZ fam today. And other than that, it's been your boy DZ. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, fam.
Probably blacked out how the other night last. Maybe come around for a minute. Should I like that? I could never catch taking